Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. We are from Group 5. We will explain about cause of disease plant, virus, and nematode. Next. First thing first, I will introduce our member group. First is Syahdani Izzudin, Siti Ihwani, Sesilya Nur Oviarsya, Sely Kikiba Putri, Bintang Prakosa Jati, Rizky Maulana Putra, and last is Awal Rahmat Marwangsa. Next.
Virus. Definition of virus. Virus is submicroscopic infectious agent that replicate only inside the living cells of an organism. Viruses infect all life forms from animal and plant to microorganisms, including bacteria and archaea. The study of viruses is known as virology. Characteristic of virus. A. Viruses cannot be precipitated using ordinary centrifugation, but can be crystallized like an inanimate object. B. Viruses, when they are outside other living things, are called virions. C. Viruses only have one nucleic acid, either DNA or RNA. In addition, viruses have a protein called capsid but do not have cytoplasm or organelle. Next.
And the point D is viruses can only reproduce through division in other living things. And the last one is viruses are known to have size between 25 and 300 nanometer. How virus attack plant? Most plant viruses are actively transmitted from infected to healthy plants by a living organism called a vector. Plant feeding arthropod, nematode, and when a virus infects a plant, it moves from one cell to another and multiplies in most cells. Viruses move from cell to cell through the plasmodesmata, connecting adjacent cells. Viruses multiply in each parenchyma cell they infect. In all economically important viral infections, viruses reach the phloem and through it are transported rapidly over long distance within the plant. Once the virus has entered the phloem, it moves rapidly in it toward growing regions, apically meristems, or other food-utilizing part of the plant, such as tuber and rhizomes.
Structure of virus. Capsomers, nucleocapsid, nucleocapsid, envelope capsid, nucleocapsid.
Example of a plant infected with a virus. And the left is a tobacco mosaic virus or TMV in tomato plant. And the right, Gemini virus or pepper yellow leaf curl virus or PYLCV on chili plants.
Definition of nematode. The nematodes or roundworms constitute the phylum Nematoda, also called Nematelmintes with plant parasitic nematodes, also
Nematode.
known as ellworms. They are a diverse animal phylum inhabiting a broad range of environments. Taxonomically, they are classified along with insect and other molting animals in the clade Ecdysozoa, and unlike flatworms, have tubular digestive system with opening at both ends. Like tardigrades, they have a reduced number of hooks skins, but as their sister phylum Nematomorpha has kept the ancestral protostome hook genotype, it shows that the reduction has occurred within the nematode phylum.
Characteristic of nematode. Nematodes have the following characteristic. First, body shape resembling worm, circular cross-section covered by 3 layers of cuticle. And second is gonochoristic, trypoblastic, bilaterally symmetrical, and segmented, pseudocoelomate. And third is oral cavity surrounded by six lips and 16 sensory structure. Fourth is has unique taste organ in the head called the armpit. Six, body wall has only one layer of longitudinal muscle connected by longitudinal nerve thread. And last is longitudinal nerve thread are located in a thickened layer of hypodermis in the ventral, dorsal, and lateral planes. Next.
How nematode attack plants? Plant parasite nematodes depend solely on plants for growth and reproduction, or obligated parasite. They obtain nutrients from cytoplasm of living root system and leaf cell for development, growth, and survival. Nematode forms a hollow and approachable feeding structure called the xylem. The nematode use the structure to pierce and penetrate the cell wall of plant cell, inject saliva secretion, and withdraw and ingest nutrient for the cytoplasm. Nematodes that enter injecting secretion to dissolve or weakening the cell wall or middle lamella. In general, all plant parasite nematodes damage plant by direct mechanical injury using the xylem during penetration and or by secretion of enzyme into the plant cell while the nematode is feeding. Next. Nggak mau kan? Nematode control. Nematode control can be done in several ways. First is sanitation, including the use of seed or seed that are free from nematodes, weakening broadleaf weeds or nematode roots, dismantling and collecting roots suspected of being attacked by nematodes. Second, technical culture, including tillage by holding the soil as deep as 20 to 30 centimeters. The bottom coil is turned upwards. The roots are collected and burned. Crop rotation is by planting plant species that are not favorable for the development of nematodes. Can also be carried out for about 3 months in the dry season to reduce the nematodes population or density. Third, the use of nematodes is accordance with the recommended dose can suppress the nematode population. For growing antagonistic crops such as sorghum, kinggrass, nephila grass, or family of Gramineae, or Clotaria. Crotalaria, or cover crop or beans.
Okay, that's all of our presentation. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.